Today we're stitching an in-the-hoop Santa zipper bag, perfect for taking your Christmas goodies on the go. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, so just follow along and pause whenever you need. Let's get started. You'll need a 5x7 hoop and no-show mesh stabilizer. You'll need a nylon zipper that's 7 inches or longer. For your fabric pieces, you'll need hat fabric, 6 inches wide by 4 inches high, white hat detail, 6 inches by 4 inches, beard fabric, 6 inches by 5 inches, face fabric, 5 inches by 3 inches, beard lining, 6 inches by 5 inches, bag back, 6 inches by 8 inches, bag back lining, 6 inches by 8 inches, tab fabric, 3 inches by 3 inches. For batting, you'll need hat batting, 6 inches by 3 inches, beard batting, 6 inches by 5 inches, mustache batting, 5 inches by 3.5 inches, tape, scissors and double curved scissors, needle and thread or steam-a-seam for the tab and closing. Step 1. Hoop your no-show mesh stabilizer and stitch the placement line. Step 2. Place the closed zipper along the placement line, keeping the pole out of the way. Tape it in place and stitch the zipper tack down. Step 3. Place the hat, beard, and mustache batting pieces directly over the placement line. Tape them to prevent shifting and stitch the batting tack down. Step 4. Trim the excess batting very close to the tack down line. Step 5. Lay the hat fabric, wrong side up, with its edge aligned to the top of the zipper. Tape it. Flip the hoop over and place the hat lining, wrong side up, aligned to that same edge. Tape it. Stitch the tack down. Step 6. Flip the hat front fabric upward to cover the batting and tape it flat. Leave the hat lining on the back taped flat. Stitch the tack down for the hat brim and pom-pom area. Step 7. Trim away the excess hat brim and pom-pom fabric close to the stitch line. Stitch the satin borders on the brim and pom-pom. Step 8. Flip the hoop to the back. Fold the hat lining downward to match the stitched area. Tape it in place and stitch the tack down to secure the lining. Step 9. Lay the beard fabric, wrong side up, along the bottom edge of the zipper and tape it. Flip the hoop over and place the beard lining fabric, wrong side up, along that same edge. Tape it. Stitch the tack down. Step 10. Flip and fold the beard fabric downward over the batting and tape it. Leave the beard lining taped up and unfolded on the back. Step 11. Lay the face fabric over the beard section and tape it. Step 12. Stitch the next tack down to secure the face fabric. Carefully trim the excess face fabric close to the stitch line. Stitch the remaining face and beard details. This is the correct step 13 from the PDF. Step 13. Remove the hoop and flip it over. Fold the beard lining downward to cover the sewn area. Tape it. Stitch the tack down to secure the beard lining. Step 14. Critical zipper step. Move the zipper pull into the center of the design. Flip the hoop and carefully cut away only the stabilizer around the zipper teeth. Do not cut any fabric layers. Step 15. Place the finished tab folded in half so the folded edge points inward over the zipper. Tape it securely. Step 16. Lay the bag back fabric, wrong side up, over the entire design on the front of the hoop. Tape it and stitch the tack down. Step 17. Flip the hoop to the back. Lay the bag back lining fabric, wrong side up, tape it, and stitch the final tack down. Step 18. Remove the piece from the hoop. Trim around the bag, leaving a 1/4 inch seam allowance. At the bottom opening, leave about a 1 inch allowance to make turning easier. Step 19. Turn the bag right side out through the bottom opening. Hand stitch or fuse the bottom opening closed. Step 20. Turn the bag one final time through the zipper opening. Press all seams flat for a clean, professional finish. Your Santa zipper bag is officially finished. Cute, crisp, and ready to fill with treats or tuck into a gift.